Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be another hair video. I will be styling this wig. I'm on my way out, so I thought let me do a video of how I put my wig on while I'm getting ready. The hair is from Ali Grace Hair. They initially sent me a 1B body wave hair, but I felt like I have a lot of dark hair. I wanted to I wanted something colored. So this is supposed to be like a cool toned, kind of like a dirty blonde, dirty like brown blonde, does that make sense? And I didn't color this myself. This was actually done by my hairstylist. Whenever I get my hair done or new wigs, it's usually from her. She makes my wigs and also colors them as well most of the time. I've been using her for a long time and she's amazing. So I will put her info down below. 4 bundles of 24 inches and an 18-inch lace frontal. This is a 13x4 lace frontals. It was bleached, colored and toned. And from what she said, it did go through a lot of like bleaching and toning, and the hair did survive. It did come a little bit dry. I think she did treat it. I'm not sure how light this hair can go, but you can color it. Like I said, it did start off being dark, and she was able to get this color, which I absolutely love. She also customized the lace for me, so I literally just have to cut it and lay it down. So I'll obviously just show you how I do that, and I decided to do a side part today. I used a bigger one today. I still using my T3 micro curling one. I use the big, I think it's the biggest one, because I really wanted like really loose curls. Honestly, I would definitely say invest in these curling tools because they're pretty good and they're extremely hot. So let's get straight into it. So this is a customized wig. So the wig did not come this color. It was originally just dark hair, 1B hair, and I wanted something colored, and I wanted it to be like cool toned, so I asked her to do something cool toned, kind of in like that cool tone blonde, ash blonde, very ash blonde family. So this hair is by Ali Grace Hair. I got an 18-inch frontal and 24 inches hair for bundles of 24 inches. So yeah, she did a good job. I literally didn't want to color it myself, and I didn't know how to get the ash blonde, so I asked her to do it. I will put her information in the description box. The hair was done for me by EA Hair. She literally does all my coloring, wig making as well. She initially did it as a middle part, but I want to do a side part. I haven't done a side part style in a while. Okay, so I'm gonna pick the lace first, and then we're gonna part it. So she did a middle part. She did like, there were like some blonde bits, which would have been quite nice, but I wanted to do a side part today. So she has pretty much done all the work for me. She has also customized it, so literally all I have to do is lay it down. So I'm just cutting the lace. So I was literally just watching Too Hot to Handle. I'm sure you guys know of the show on Netflix. It's season 2, and I'm on episode 6, I believe. Love Island also started this week as well. It's been quite dry, I'm not gonna lie. It's been 2 episodes so far and it's been quite dry. It's still something to watch. It's been quite a dry year so far, so you know, we're gonna take what we can get right now. Feels like I'm doing a lot of like hair videos lately. It's because I have a huge backlog. Like I had a lot sent to me just before I had like a skin peel, and I had a lot of wigs sent to me. I did sell a lot of my wigs, so I'm practically replacing them all. So I had a lot of them sent to me pretty much all at the same time. I'm trying to get them out, and I just literally they want it all around the same time, which is really frustrating. And like, it's like, how many videos can you do at one time, like hair videos? But at the same time, I am trying out these different vendors. A few of them I have worked before in the past, and you know, like their hair, the quality, and plus I'm just trying to stock up on the wigs that I have sold and obviously get new wigs. I usually do hair videos anyway, but maybe not this many in a short space of time. But I'm almost done with putting out all the videos. If you have any specific like how-to hair tutorial videos you'd like me to do that I haven't done before, or maybe you want me to like expand upon, let me know and I will try and get those out for you, or just any other videos in general. So thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.